Hello everyone, welcome back to Joel's Random Stuff. It's me, Joel Varghese, the creator of the channel, and let's dive into today's video. What are stocks and a brief introduction to stocks. Before we begin with this video, make sure to subscribe and like. Now let's get started. What exactly are stocks? Let's start with the basics. What are stocks? In simple terms, a stock represents a share in the ownership of a company. When you buy stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. Stocks are known as shares or equities. They're issued by companies to raise capital for various purposes, such as expanding their businesses, launching new products, or paying off debt. Now let's discuss about types of stocks. Common stocks give shareholders voting rights and potential to receive dividends. But there are also different types of stocks. But like I just said, common stocks are one of the main categories, but there's also another one called preferred stocks. So let's go back to common stocks. Common stocks give shareholders voting rights and potential to receive dividends, which are a portion of the company's profits. However, they also come with higher risk as their value can fluctuate significantly. Preferred stocks, on the other hand, typically don't come with voting rights but offer a fixed dividend. They are generally considered less risky than common stocks and can provide more stable income. Typically, they say if you're a beginner, you should go for preferred stocks because you don't have less of a risk of losing money when you invest in a preferred stock rather than investing in a common stock. How stocks are traded. Stocks are traded on the stock exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or the NASDAQ. You might have heard of these before. These exchanges act as marketplaces where buyers and sellers can come together to trade shares. But in order to buy or sell stocks, you'll need a brokerage amount. There are many online brokerage platforms available today that make it easy for individuals to start investing in stocks. Well, you might be wondering, why should I invest in stocks? Well, historically, stocks have provided higher returns compared to other types of investments like bonds or savings accounts. Investing in stocks can help you grow your wealth over the long term. Plus, owning stocks means you have a stake in the company's future success. If the company does well, the value of your shares can increase, providing you with capital gains. Let's say, for instance, you buy an Amazon stock and the company does really well, you will end up making a lot of money off that stock. Or if you hold a stock for 30 years and the company becomes really well over 30 years. So let's say you bought an Apple stock about 30 years ago, you definitely would have made tons of money than you would have 30 years ago because the company has rapidly rose from what it was 30 years ago. So that's an example of how you can hold stocks and make more money. Now, if you invest in stocks, you can end up making more money over time. Now let's talk about the risks of investing stocks. There's obviously some risks to investing stocks, and we'll be discussing about that. Of course, stocks come with risks. Like I said, stock market can be rough, and the value of your investments can go up and down. It's possible to lose money, especially if you sell your stocks during a market turndown. It's important to do your research and understand the companies you're investing in. Diversifying your portfolio or spreading your investments across different types of stocks and sectors can also help mitigate some of the risks. Make sure to do your research before investing in stocks if it's a company worth to invest in their stock. Now here's some quick basic investing strategies. These are the few basic strategies you can follow. One popular strategy is buy and hold, like I was just discussing. When you purchase stocks, you should hold on to them for a long period, regardless of short-term market fluctuations. Because let's say it goes down a little bit, it might come back up and you might end up making a lot of money over that long period of time. Another strategy would be dollar cost averaging, when you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. This can help reduce the impact of market volatility by spreading your investments over time. Lastly, there's dividend investing, where you focus on buying stocks that pay regular dividends. That can provide you with a steady stream of income in addition to any potential capital gains. Here are my final thoughts and tips on stocks. So there you have it, a brief introduction to stocks. Remember, investing stocks can be a powerful way to build wealth, but we also mentioned about the risks in losing money in stocks. There's obviously a bad side to everything, so there would be one to stocks, but mainly it's a great way people use as a sort of investment side to make some additional money. Here's some other tips I would have. Start small, diversify your portfolio, and stay informed. Make sure to keep checking your stocks if you're making money on that, and think about it if it's a good time to leave the stock or you want to stay put and keep your money invested in the stock. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please make sure to comment down below. Thanks for watching this stocks video. Also, be sure to like and subscribe to see other videos. And like always, comment what other videos you want me to post. I hope you like this video. Peace out.